Hello guys, welcome to Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. On our channel, we share many informative videos all about healthcare industry. Subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated. Also share our videos and channel with all the healthcare contents. Like our video and let us know your valuable comment to show us your support. Today we are going to share you some very useful information which should be known by healthcare professionals. Stay tuned with us, subscribing our channel to get the all notification. Now let's go through about neuromuscular stimulation. A neuromuscular stimulator is a medical device designed to apply electrical impulses to nerves or muscles to achieve various therapeutic effects. These devices are commonly used in physical therapy, rehabilitation, pain management, and athletic training. Key features of nerves muscular stimulation. First, electrical stimulation delivers electrical impulses through electrodes placed on the skin. Second, adjustable setting allows users to modify parameters like intensity, frequency, and duration of the stimulation. Third, portability. Many modern devices are compact and portable for home use. Fourth, safety features includes automatic shut-off, battery level indicators, and secure electrode attachments. Common types of neuromuscular stimulation. First, transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, primarily used for pain relief. Second, neuromuscular electrical stimulation targets muscle groups to enhance strength and recovery. Third, functional electrical stimulation aids in functional movements for patients with neurological impairments. Common types of neuromuscular stimulation. First, transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, primarily used for pain relief. Second, therapeutic uses. First, pain management helps alleviate chronic and acute pain by stimulating nerves. Second, muscle rehabilitation assist in recovering muscle strength and function post injury or surgery. Third, improving circulation enhances blood flow to targeted areas. Fourth, preventing muscles atrophy, especially useful for patients immobilized or with limited mobility. The last one, functional training, supports movement training for individuals with neurological conditions like stroke or spinal cord injuries. Applications in various fields. First, physical therapy and rehabilitation, commonly used to support recovery and enhance muscles function. Second, sports medicine helps athletic in muscle recovery, performance enhancement, and injury prevention. Third, pain clinics provides non-invasive pain management options. Fourth, home health care offers convenient ongoing treatment for chronic conditions. How it works. First, electrode placement. Electrodes are placed on the skin over the targeted muscle or nerves. Second, electrical impulses. The device sends controlled electrical impulses through the electrodes. Third, muscle contraction. These impulses mimic the action potential that comes from the central nervous system, causing muscles to contract. Fourth, therapeutic effect. Depending on the setting and application, this can reduce pain, improve muscle strength, and support functional movement. Safety and considerations. First, consultation with healthcare providers. Always recommended to use under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Second, contraindication. Not suitable for individuals with pacemaker, certain types of heart conditions, or epilepsy without medical advice. Third, proper usage. correct placement of electrodes and adherence to usage guidelines are essential for effectiveness and safety. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribing our channel. Stay tuned.